Hello everyone, myself Monish Kumar, and I am here to explain the project which I've done using IRP 120 358 robot, ABB robot. So today I'm using a robot studio, and technically my project has both manual and automatic mode, wherein I have drawn a MDX letter on the table, okay, using a manual and automatic mode. Technically, in order to do a manual mode, first you have to specify each and every points of M by giving the proper offset positions, and then you have to create a path for the targets. Whatever the targets you have created, you have to give a particular path for each and everything, and then you have to run the path using a rapid program. What I've done is I have created each and every target of M, D, X and the rectangle, and created in one single path. Named it as MDX. Let me show you that. If you see here, if I go to path and let's see the path here. So these are my targets. So these are my targets. What and all you're seeing here is my targets, and the ones which I've named it is my manual targets, and the one which is named as a target 300, these are my automatic targets. These targets were not created by me, it was created by the automatic autopath. This is I'll be showing you later, but now let's see what and all I've done. I've created separate points for all the things. I've created a home point and approach points for all the rectangle, M, D, and X. So wherein before going to M point M, it's gonna first go to M approach, which is nothing but M home. So if you can see here, uh, there is a gap between your M home and your M point. So before going to M, it first goes to M home, which is nothing but my approach point, wherein to make it convenient and also to help people see the proper movement of the ABB robot, the movement of the tool. It'll be convenient if you have a approach point. So now what I've done, I have created targets on my own. Okay, and now let's see the paths. See, these auto and this main is completely a rapid program. So these, if you can see here, this is D in, which is nothing but inside D, and this is D out, which is outside. So if you can see, there is targets here. These are created using the auto path. Now I'll show you my manual one. If you see here, I've created a manual path that is MDX and named it as MDX. Here I've created first rectangle from home. It's going to go to rectangle home, which is nothing but a rectangle approach point, and then goes to the rectangle point one, two, three, three and four, based on your naming. Okay, and then it's going to come back to one to complete the entire rectangle. Now after that I've done M and D, and lastly I've done X. So once X is drawn, it goes back to X approach point and then go back to home, where that is where my manual program ends. So now let's see the output. Okay, so for that, what I'll do, I'll go to simulation, sync and play. So now let me open my controller, and let's say I have this option now, manual and autopath. Autopath is nothing but an automatic thing, and manual is nothing but manual. Suppose if I click on manual, let's see the manual output first. If you can see it, manual output is working. Now M, Now it is going to D from approach to approach. Now it's gone to X approach and then to X point. Once the X point is completed, it go back to the home position. Okay. So this is my manual program. Now uh, I'm going to show you my automatic path. So for that, I have to go to click on this and create auto path. Now, if you can see here, my robot is going there. It's creating a M first. For this automatic, I've not set any approach points. I've just kept a home point so that after creating one single letter, it's going to go back to home position. Because in order to understand the difference between manual and autopath, I've given this. Um, you can see it is drawing the autopath D, and you can also see it is going back to home and then going to X point. And lastly, rectangle. Just gonna draw a rectangle. Once it completes the rectangle, it go back to home position and stop. So this is my project. If you like the project, please do subscribe the video and click on like button. Thank you.